There it goes. Waiting for the pinging sound. Doesn't happen all the time. Usually every 4 seconds. Now it's taking a little longer.
Okay.
So I'm not sure what that is. If anybody can help, that would be great.